there's a hat here. Why are there so many dead people? Wow, look how cute I am. Wait, it loses durability just from wearing it? I guess I should wait till winter then.
I can't.
Huh?
Don't worry about it. I'm not doing anything.
Huh?
No, don't worry about it.
Well,
Where are you?
what are you up to? I'm coming to you.
I'm not doing anything.
You're pretty far away.
Oh.
There you are.
Hello.
You look a bit scary with that axe. You're chopping trees!
No, I'm not doing anything!
You're chopping trees!
No, I'm
My
not!
precious trees!
No.
I have to look away. I can't bear to watch.
No.
Civilization corrupted nature.
No. This is all part of nature.
This is how entropy claims the universe.
It's all just part of... It's all... Oh, it's raining.
It's raining.